What's going on, everyone? Welcome back to the channel. I just woke up. Good morning. If you're watching this in the morning, hope you have a blessed day. I'm gonna be showing you what I eat for my breakfast meal because I know a lot of you guys been asking what goes into it and what do you eat. So I'm just gonna show you guys what I make and the macros for it. So stay tuned and I hope you enjoy. Like, comment, share if you're new, and let's go. All right, I just finished cooking. I'm ready to eat my breakfast now. And we have a lot on the menu today. This is what I would regularly eat, and I recommend you to eat this as well. It's very, very low on calories, and it's high and dense, so you would feel fuller for a longer period of time, and you would also get the protein in you need for your workout. Here we have the protein chocolate chip pancakes. I'm gonna use sugar-free syrup for that. And then I have egg whites with a little bit of egg yolk for our fats. And then a low-fat cottage cheese with 2 tablespoons and a cup of steamed broccoli. After breakfast, I would do a workout at home. Today we're doing a body weight workout with a Chris Heria video on YouTube that I watched for your chest. So I will be recording a round or two of that workout. I already got a round in and I already feel pumped. So I'm gonna get 2 more rounds in, record that, and then show what I eat and drink for a post-workout meal and shape. So here's the workout and here's the video.
During this chest workout, we're going to be engaging all the areas of our chest, our upper chest, mid chest, lower section, inner chest, and outer chest. We will even be isolating each pec and throwing in different techniques.
Man, that don't happen to me like that. Give me a break, bitch.
A physique update after a chest workout. Now that we just finished with the workout, I'm gonna go and get a post-workout meal in with a post-workout shake, and I'm gonna show you guys what that consists of. Let's go get that meal. We have about 24 grams of protein in this shake, and then the sweet potato for recovery with a green salad and some carrots for your veggies for the day. And then we have the strawberry and banana inside of this shake as well. So the macros will be up on the screen, and this is what I'm having today. What's going on, guys? I just woke up from a 3-hour nap from like 3 p.m. to 6 p.m. I've just been napping on this beautiful day because this is one of my many days off, so I decided to sleep. Just sleep. So let's go and get some food in our system, guys. All right, guys, I set up meal number 3. We are now on to have a cup of carrot rice with tilapia fish, about 6 to 8 ounces. And then I have a green salad with just mini cup guacamole on top as a dressing. And this is what it looks like. That's your cup of rice, 6 to 8 ounces of tilapia fish, seasoned, and salad with mini guac on it. I decided to have a late night snack slash meal. It's about 10:30 p.m. right now, and I'm just gonna finish my night off with some Netflix, and I'm watching Project Power. I'm about halfway through. It's a really good movie so far, starring Jamie Foxx, but I'm gonna show you guys what I'm having for a late night meal at about 10:30 p.m. So here we have oatmeal with PB2. I use 2 tablespoons and 1 tablespoon of unsweetened. It can be a Hershey brand or any brand of just cocoa powder, but it has to be unsweetened. And then 4 ounces of oatmeal with a cup of almond milk, and that really rises up. Then we have our Smart Pop popcorn with only 100 calories. As you can see right here, 94% fat free. Then we have our lemon ginger herbal tea for late night digestion before bed, and water. All right, everyone, and that concludes the video. The macros will be right here so you can see all of the calories, the proteins, and the carbs that I had for the day. I appreciate you for checking out this video. I hope that you're learning new recipes and workouts to add to your regimen. Like, comment, and consider subscribing if you like what I bring to YouTube, and join my journey. Check it out. Let's go.